Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV's Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National English University School, Day Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I would like to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter-1 BQ 3 plus 4 discussion. Today's lecture number 6 and I will give HW which number will be also 6. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 1, board question number 3. Write Iman Muzmal with meaning in English. Answer. Iman Muzmal means to declare Iman in brief. Iman Muzmal is Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. Meaning, I believe in Allah as He is and with all His names and attributes, and I accept all of His principles and commandments, laws and orders. Okay, dear students, now we'll start question number 4. Question number 4 is describe in detail the word to depend on Allah. Answer. The first word of Iman is to believe in Allah. We believe in Allah that He is one and unique. He is the eternal and infinite. He is the first, He is the last. He knows all, hears all, sees all. He is the cherisher and sustainer of all creatures. Mainly all living beings are depend on Allah. Okay, dear students, it's the end of today's class. I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. Today's HW number 6 and topic of HW, write the answer of question number 3 and 4. Write the answer of question number 3 and 4. Okay, dear students, you have to do your assigned HW, question number 3 and question number 4, both. Okay, dear students, you have to do your assigned HW on your HW copy and submit your HW copy on every Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.